Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar today, say January 13, 2025. Let's get started. I'm going to start by taking a look at the weekly chart. The reason why I want to look at that is because in trading last week, the price fell below the low of 2022. That low came in at 0.61, let's call it 70. If you go back to this area right here in 2019, the price fell below that level as well also, but then had a couple weeks here where we had a ceiling up at 0.6210-ish type area. So the 70 level to the 6210 level was a swing area going back in time. You can see in the end of December, the price came down into that swing area and bounced off and came back down and bounced off. In the first week of the year, the price tried to move higher, but then rotated back to the downside, falling below the low of that swing area at 0.6169 on the weekly chart. So that tilts the bias more to the downside. We are trading lowest levels going back to this period right through here. That's end of December, early January of 2020. That's a long time ago. So sellers in control in the Aussie versus US dollar. What would turn them back, with the buyers back or at least winning in some of the in the short term for this currency pair? And to understand that, you have to go to the hourly chart. And we take a look at the hourly chart. What we have, the closest victory for the buyers would be to get back above the swing high right here and the swing high right, or the swing low right here and the swing low right here. That when we broke through those levels on Friday, the market used this level as resistance, pushed to the downside. So that comes in at the 0.6171 to 78 level. Very similar to the 71 level that we saw, or the 70 level that we saw right here off of the weekly chart. So that increases this 70 level increases that level's importance going forward. So getting above it, and then the 78 level would be the first victory for the buyers to show that they are taking back more control. Absent that, and guess what? The buyers simply are not winning. The sellers are still in control, and we can expect further moves to the downside. Even if we do get above this level, however, there's still work to do with the 100 and 200 hour moving averages, the next key targets, along with this swing area up here. So be aware, be prepared. There's lots of work to do if the buyers are to take more control. But until then, the sellers are still lifting the trophy. They are still winning the game. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.